Hey, let's come build a PC with me. A imagination PC with me. See what I did there? Now that the PC prices are kind of low, but not low enough that I can get it. And if you clicked on it, you might not get it. Or if you want to build a PC just with imagination, just close your eyes, okay? There's gonna be nothing on the screen, okay? Don't bother opening your eyes. Just close your eyes. It is literally a few more minutes, dude. You can do it. I trust in you. Just sit there in complete silence and listen to me build while you build with me, okay? Let's get it. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Eyes closed. Okay, the very first thing you're gonna go to your right, like take your left arm, put that on the right, and swoop in your imaginary CPU. For my case, it is Imaginary Volt 2. I went with the 2 because I like the 2 because it's like higher cores. Like look, it has 1 billion cores. See, 1 billion cores is a lot of cores, okay? Like not even AMD Intel can fight it, okay? So now that I have my CPU, I need a motherboard, right? So I got this Imaginary board 711458, which is a pretty good board. Look at the AIO, dude. Great AIO. Not AIO, sorry. Great IO, sorry, not AIO. I'm missing the point, sorry. Great IO, okay? Lots of stuff, lots of USB A's, lots of USB C's, lots of bits. The IO is pretty cool. See, it has everything I need and everything I would want. Now let's get the RAM. I mean, it is pretty pricey, but 5 imaginary coins, it's a lot, but you know, best of the best. 128 gigs of DDR29. Pretty great, okay? Dude, pretty fucking great. You can argue with results, okay? Shut up. I know it looks bad in pink, but that's the only color they have, okay? I bought it. Just trust. Now, we need the cooler, okay? Before I build it, we need the cooler, okay? I want to make sure this is like the step to do first, and then we walk into it. First, take the cooler out of the box. I chose the cooler that cools your cooler in a cool way. Pretty good cooler, not gonna lie. First of all, take your... Wait, where the fuck? Oh, I was wondering where I'm gonna put it in. And I know you did too. So we got this beautiful wood accent case from our Mother Nature. Thank you, Mother Nature, for this wood accent case. I love it. Okay, put the case on its sides. Take your motherboard and see if the standoffs of the motherboard align with the standoff in the case. In my case, it does, but before you do it, make sure, or else your motherboard will get scraped behind the back, and it might do a little bit of like tomfoolery and fuck up the whole build. We don't want that. No, we don't want that. Okay. Put your motherboard in the box. Not in the box, sorry, in the case. Fuck. Now, put your CPU in. I know I should have done it before, but it's my video, my rules. Shut up. Just do what I say. Put it in. Match the triangles if you're new. And if you know how to do it, just chuck that shit in. It's gonna do magic. Voila. Now, second, take your 20 billion watts power supply and put that under the case, or the way it's supposed to go. And then, because it's modular, I'm gonna do, it's called magic trick, and look up a fucking manual. Sorry, no cursing. And look up the manual of these motherboard to know which cables I need and which I don't. First of all, I will need that 24 pin, the front headers, those weird cables that I don't know how to do it. So we're gonna follow a tutorial on the on this very helpful how to plug in every single header in your motherboard by me that I wrote, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna do it with a bit of magic. Boom! It's done. Let's go. I have connected everything. It's done. Now, secondly, I'm gonna do is put the cooler on my CPU. Just done. Now, wait. I almost forgot. I was gonna put the GPU, but no, we need storage. For storage, I got this 29 terabytes, 29 million terabytes of PCI Gen 69 storage. So we're gonna put that in NVMe. Let's go. Now just screw it in, plug it in, put the fucking heat spreader on it, and boom, we're done. Now put the GPU. For the GPU, I chose a pretty normal, not too much. I can't say RTX because it's gonna sound like Nvidia. So MTX 60 90 50 80 90. I know it's like, I mean, you can play any game at 12K resolution, dude. What else do you need? You know, what else do you fucking need, bro? Let's put that in, and boom, it's done. The whole thing is done. We have RAM, we have the CPU, GPU, power supply. Oh, that's right, I forgot the few extra fans. Let's chuck them in the front, and boom. Yeah, that's enough, dude. Like those big, very ginormous fans, like table fans. Sorry, those ginormous fans in the front of the case is gonna do the best. And boom, you have done and congrats. Here's your imaginary PC, dude. Enjoy, play any game you want within a billion FPS. Now I'm gonna go jerk off to some hand. Goodbye.
Mr. Beast, give me some money. Give me some money. Mr. Beast, give me some